How to use TD Cashback credit card. In this video, I will show you how to use TD Cashback credit card. So first, why choose cashback? Cashback credit cards provide a simple and straightforward reward structure and are a good choice for people who do not travel often or who do not want to spend energy navigating rewards and loyalty programs. With TD's cashback credit cards, clients earn back between 5.5% and 3% on all of their everyday purchases. The accumulated cashback is tallied in your account, making it easy to understand and measure. If you don't travel much or you're not inclined to learn the ins and outs of a loyalty program or figure out how to make good choices with a fixed value rewards program, TD's cashback credit cards are a great alternative. So to redeem TD Cashback, the cashback you accumulate using your TD Cashback credit card can be redeemed easily. You can redeem your cashback dollars to pay down your account at any time with a minimum redemption of $25. You can also set up your account to do this automatically each January with no minimum cashback amount required. So among the TD Cashback credit cards would be the TD Cashback Visa Infinite card and the TD Cashback Visa card. Each card offers different cashback earning rates and perks. So the TD Cashback Visa Infinite card has an annual fee of $139, supplementary card holders for $50, and minimum income requirement of $60,000 for personal and $100,000 for household. The estimated credit score needed would be good to excellent. The earning rates for the TD Cashback Visa Infinite are good and they're most notable in everyday spend categories such as groceries, gas, and recurring bill payments. The TD Cashback Visa Infinite's earning rates are as follows. So 3% cashback on groceries, gas, and recurring bill payments set up on your account. 1% cashback on all other purchases. Now let's move on to the TD Cashback Visa card. So as for its annual fee would be $0, supplementary card holders for $50, and the minimum income requirement and estimated credit score needed are not disclosed. The earning rates for the TD Cashback Visa are considerably lower than those offered by TD Cashback Visa Infinite, but this is not surprising given that there is no annual fee and no minimum income requirement for this card. So the TD Cashback Visa's earning rates are as follows: 1% cashback on groceries, gas, and recurring bill payments with a minimum of $5,000 spent per year for gas and groceries combined, and a minimum of $5,000 for recurring bill payments. 0.5% cashback on all other purchases. And that is how you can basically use TD Cashback credit card.